Magandang araw sa inyo mga bata. So today, ang ating first lesson is more of divisibility rule by 2, 5, and 10. So paano nga ba natin malalaman na ang number ay divisible by 2, 5, and 10 easily without computing for it? So we have to follow some rules.
So first of all, syempre, kailangan muna natin maintindihan na ano ba yung mga multiples? Ano ba ibig sabihin ng multiple? What is a multiple? When you say multiple, example, multiple of 2, this is only skip counting by 2, such as 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and so on. So that those are the multiples of 2. Multiples of 3, syempre we have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and so on. So skip counting is just multiple is all about skip counting. So when you say skip multiples of 5, so that will be 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and so on. So that is a multiple. So ayan. So let's proceed now to divisibility. How will you know that a number is divisible by? So we are going to study divisibility by 2, 5, and 10. So how will you know that a number is divisible by 2? So kailangan natin tandaan na yung rules, ano ba yung mga multiples of 2. So pag-aralan natin, what are the multiples of 2? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, ano yung napansin natin sa ating multiples? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. So ano yung napansin natin sa kanila? So sila ay correct, even numbers. So when say even numbers, so divisible by 2 so a number is divisible by 2 if they are even numbers, meaning to say ending in 2, 4, 6, 8, and 0. So that means if the number is ending in 2, 4, 6, 8, and 0, that number is divisible by 2. Okay, such as, so example, I have 45. Let's say I have 45. Is 45 even or odd number? So since the last digit is 5, it is an odd number. So therefore it is not divisible by 2. Kasi sabi nga, a number is divisible by 2 if they are even numbers or ending in 2, 4, 6, 8, and 0. So hindi siya nagtatapos sa 2, 4, 6, 8, and 0. So the last number is 5, therefore it is not divisible by 2. So another example, if you have, no matter how big the number is or how great the number is, as long as the last digit is an even number, is 0, even number, it denotes, so sabi, ending in 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 0. So nagtatapos sa 0, that means it is an even number. So if 4,840 is an even number, therefore it is divisible by 2. Okay? Okay na. So malinaw po. So divisible by 2 if the numbers are even. Okay, let's proceed now to divisibility by 5. So, tandaan na, nagtatapos sa 2, 4, 6, 8, and 0. So, pwede natin mahati sa 2. And, number is divisible by 5. Paano natin malalaman na ang number is divisible by 5? How will you know that a number is divisible by 5? So, balikan natin yung counting, the multiples of 5. So, we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and so on. So, these are the multiples of 5. So, ano napansin natin? Look at the numbers. Ano napansin natin? Okay. So, all those numbers are ending in 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0. So, the last digit of the numbers are 5 and 0. So, that means a number is divisible by 5 if the number is ending in 5 or 0. Okay? If a number ends in 5 or 0, therefore it is divisible by 5. So, example, 2,445. So, nagtatapos sa 5. So, that means it is divisible by 5. Check. Right? So, 2,083. The last digit is 3. So, divisible by 5? Of course not. Sabi nga, ending in 5 and 0. Ang last digit is 3. So, that is not divisible by 5. Example, is it divisible by 5? 400. Yes, because it is ending in 0. So, divisible by 5. Let's say you have 40,583. Or let's say 488. 4,588. Divisible by 5. So, since the last digit is 8, hindi siya divisible by 5. Okay? Now, let's proceed now to divisibility by 10. How will you know that the number is divisible by 10? So, divisible by 10. So, divisible by 10. So, the same way, balikan natin. What are the multiples of 10? We have 10, 20, right? We have 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and so on. Right? 98, 80, 90, 100. So, ano napansin natin? What do you notice to those sets of numbers? These are multiples of 10. So, the multiples of 10 are numbers divisible by 10. So, napansin natin, all numbers are, yes, they are all ending in 0. Divisible by 10 if the number ends in 0. So, kapag nagtatapos sa 0, kapag ang dulo ay itlog, so that means it is divisible by 10. Okay? For example, 4,840. So, nagtatapos sa 0, divisible by 10. Okay? 9,483. Ending in 3, not divisible by 10. Okay? 423, 5, ending in 5, divisible by 10? No. Sabi, kailangan ending in 0. 8, 60000. Daming zero. So, still, the last digit is 0. So, that is divisible by 10. So, that's how you know, you determine if a number is divisible by 10. Okay, let's have a review. Again. Okay. So, divisibility by 2. Divisibility by 2. Kailangan even numbers. Diba? Divisibility. Divisibility by 5. It should be ending in 5 or 0. Divisibility by 10. By 10. Ending in 0. Yan. So, difference sa 2, even numbers. So, that means nagtatapos sa 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. Sa 5, nagtatapos sa 5 and 0 lang. Sa 10, ending in 0 only. Okay? So, I'll give you an example of number. Let's say you have identify natin a number if that is divisible by 2, 5, and 10. Let's say you have 483. Is 483 divisible by 2? So, ang last digit ay 3. So, that means hindi siya even. Not divisible by 2. Nagtatapos sa 3. Sabi, divisible by 5 kapag nagtatapos sa 5 and 0. So, hindi rin siya divisible by 5. Divisible by 10? Of course not. Kasi ang ending ay 3. Okay? So, tingnan lang natin yung ending. Yan. 4,800. Even number? Yes. Nagtatapos sa 0? Yes. Divisible by 5. 0 ulit? Divisible by 10. So, that means divisible sa 2, 5, and 10. Pwedeng 4,824. Divisible by 2? Yes. 5? Tatapos sa 4? No. Sa 10? No. So, that's it for today. Siguro naman masasagutan nyo na ang inyong modules for today. Thank you and God bless.